thanks for joining me on my market report. My name is Mike, and my market report is on mortgage rates. We discuss what's impacting mortgage rates on a daily basis, whether it might come something from the economic calendar, headline news, or geopolitical. And sometimes it gets even really confusing if you look at good news and now it's bad news as the market sentiment changes. So we try to give an explanation of what's on investors' minds and why rates and the markets are doing what they're doing. So that way you can hopefully make an informed decision. As you're watching these videos, you're probably looking, either you're in the industry and looking to just get information on what's going on out there, or if you're a consumer, maybe you're looking to buy or refinance and trying to follow where rates are going. And hopefully these videos give the information you're looking at or needing. If you guys are a little bit about myself is my name again is Mike, and I do work with a national lender. I'm a loan officer, and we do lend in all 50 states. So if I could be of any service to you, if you're looking to refinance or buy, please feel free to reach out. We're here to help you guys out. But more than that, we would like to be a resource. So if you guys got questions about anything, please feel free to reach out. We are here to try to help you guys out here. So without further ado, we'll jump right into today's report, and we'll start off with the economic calendar. We only have one item here, and that is the existing home sales for the month of May. So on a seasonally adjusted units, the April is slightly revised lower from 5.61 seasonally adjusted million units to 5.6. Forecast is calling for a dip down to 5.4, and it came pretty close to in line at 5.41. So it dropped 3.4% month over month. So let's take a look, see what's going on this week here, if there's any big ones here. As you know, yesterday was closed due to the Juneteenth holiday, and tomorrow we got a very minor report, the MBA report we get every Wednesday, and then Thursday, of course, we get the jobless claims. But we also got the market services and manufacturing PMI coming out on Thursday, and then Friday we get a couple data here, or new home sales on here, and then consumer sentiment. So not a real big week in terms of economic data. So a lot of our data might come from a lot of our market reaction could come from headline news or geopolitical. We had a long weekend. Investors we're kind of been looking, where things have been going. So with the high inflation, the current Fed policy of enacting more aggressive measures to bring it down. Then we got the situation in the Ukraine wars, where we got the Ukraine with the issues with grain out there, and then of course energy prices with Russia we have a lot of the restrictions on purchases with them. So again, these are all things that are playing in investors' minds. Stocks are up today. However, mortgage-backed securities not so up today. We are down currently about 16 basis points. We started down lower, have improved a little bit since then, but not quite, not to a current point where we left off on Friday. So from Friday's close, we are down 16 basis points, which will translate a little worse rate pricing on our rate sheet today. So let's show the volatility today. As you can see here, we had some volatility way down here, then we shot back up, came back down a little bit, then worked our way back up, and been for the last hour or two, we've been kind of more of in a sideways pattern here for the most part, but real choppy early on, as one might expect after coming off a 3-day weekend here, as the markets were closed yesterday. So let's take a quick peek here at the yields, and even they're up a little bit. We're up to about 3.3, just under 3.3 right now. Last week we were down, I believe I was 3.224 range. Yeah, closed just at right about 3.23 last week. So it did shoot up a bit here, up to 3.3 right now. So last but not least, we'll touch on what the average rate is based on Friday's data. And a conforming loan limit, they do have points built into them. And so let's take a look here. 30 years now at 6.03, and the 15 years at 5.37. So if you like a rate quote, please feel free to reach out. We are here to help you guys out. Otherwise, you guys got any questions, we're here. If you guys like these videos, please help us out. We'd greatly appreciate it if you can share and like the videos. Helps our videos are standing out there. We'd greatly appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching, folks, and we'll look forward to see you guys in tomorrow's video. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.